Alright, I'm back. I'm trying to get into this trunk. I think I might be able to do it now. Real spider webs right there for the people that love them real barn finds. Oh, so they're not gonna be long enough. I can't see anything. I think I need more screwdriver here. Yep. I'm just putting in. I swear I just put it in here. Watch it be a Phillips. Nope. That's the key. That's the key right there. Oh, man. Keep running into stuff. That's like a log splitter. And you can see paint is chipping. I'm gonna paint that part black. Ooh, spider webs in the face. Alright, this is the first time I opened this in a while. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I put a whole bunch of chrome in here. Hopefully it's still here. Yeah, I did this a long time ago. Oh, what? I put a grinder in there. Tried putting everything I had in here. If it's here still. So look, there's the old color right there. So yeah, it needs some work. I got a trunk lock somewhere. Ooh. Alright. So I'm gonna put some parts in here like this. Brake drum. Oh, exciting anyway. That's what I'm doing here. Cleaning up some more, trying to make more room so I can get to this car. Might air up the front tires. I found the part that goes to the shifter. I don't know what's really going on here. I just do, that's not lined up. And also it's got clutch pedals, so it's a project. It was like partway done. But you know how I do it. I'm gonna just try to get it running. Might come out here. I'm not gonna try to get it running right now. It needs a carburetor, it needs a distributor. I've located those. I think I saw some wires in the trunk. Maybe there's even some more of those parts in the trunk. In the trunk, in the trunk. Don't. Yeah, there's some wires right there. So who knows what else I got. Maybe I'll find the mirror. I mean, what I'm doing right now is I'm just cleaning up like shelves. I just had this on the floor. So I cleaned up some shelf space here. Put a bunch of stuff in here, just consolidating. I'm trying to make it so I can work on this car. So that's kind of what's going down. This shelf might have to go down, but right now it's gonna stay right now. But I don't really enjoy this right there. Having to go around the car like underneath it. I'm good. Because I got to the wall there. To the wall. Alright. So that's why I could use all that right here. That's good work on car space. All the old mattresses I need to recycle, retire, whatever, return, replace. They've already been replaced. But anyway, I'm out here. There it is. I can't walk down this side because there's too much stuff in the way, but that's where we're trying to get it going. Like, yeah, if I get this shelf out the way, I could put this hood on there, have a lot more room to work with. So this shelf is definitely gonna get removed at some point. I have to, but we're not there yet. So there it is, Camaro. We're getting there. I don't know about the scooter.